Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can download Zangi Messenger on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and go to Play Store, go to the search bar, and then what you need to do is search for Zangi. So as soon as you search for Zangi, you can see the Zangi Private Messenger option. Go ahead and tap on it and click Install. As soon as you click on install, the Zangi Private Messenger will be downloaded on your device, and instantly after it has been downloaded, it will be installed. Talking more about this app, you can see that Zangi is a messenger app which has a private function which is anonymous. There will be no traces of it and it is fast. So you need to register yourself, and you can see that no phone registration is needed, and it is quite easy and helpful. So guys, you can go to the Play Store and you can download and install Zangi Private Messenger now. I hope this video about how you can download the Zangi Messenger app on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.